Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that HeyElsa token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, HeyElsa is an AI powered agentic layer for DeFi that transform complex blockchain workflow into autonomous income streams, acting as a personal crypto copilot. ELSA help user discover, stake, lend, borrow, swap, and bridge tokens seamlessly across multiple ecosystem, including Base, BNB Chain, Solana, and other EVM compatible networks. In today's DeFi environments, users often have to manage multiple wallets, protocols, and dashboards to perform even basic tasks. This fragmented experience limits adoption and create friction. Lisa elements that complexity by introducing on-chain agents that execute strategies on behalf of users, all securely, transparently, and without giving up custody. At its core, ELSA leverages ERC 8004 style communication, a new standard that allows agents, bots, and DeFi protocols coordinate natively on-chain. This creates what ELSA calls open agent economics ecosystem where autonomous agents collaborate to manage liquidity, optimize yield, and execute trade across multiple blockchains. Hey ELSA token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 228.98 million. ELSA token is listed on Coinbase Exchange, Bybit, Binance Alpha, KuCoin, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.